Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, I'm Jim, and welcome to my channel. In this exciting new episode, I'm going to show you how I make a new forge. Ah, God, I hope you're taking your Valium. I'm bouncing off the walls on this one. So, I'm going to do a little bit, I'm going to teach us about different types of welding. I'm going to do some MIG welding, I'm going to do some TIG welding, I'm going to do some arc welding. And going to show you some tips and techniques along the way. I'm no expert in any of these things, but you know, if you're an absolute beginner and something like that, maybe you might learn something. Other than that, hey, have a few billies, drink some scotch, and hopefully you might enjoy yourself. Let's see anyway, shall we? Let's get on with this. So let's press play. This is my old forge. There's nothing wrong with it. I haven't done that much use out of it. It's bloody huge. In fact, it's absolutely effing enormous. So what happened is I was at the metal recyclers, and I come across this, and that there is a LPG tank out of somebody's POS car, or truck. Not a semi-truck, but you know, anyway, SUV. It had $5 on it. $5! I was like, holy shitballs, $5. I have to buy that for $5. So, grabbed the bloody thing, half broke me back trying to carry the fucker, and chucked it in the back of the truck, and now, here we are. We're going to turn it into a forge. So, let's go. So, first thing I need to do is I've got to get rid of this, this top friggin' cap where the electronics and the gauges and all that crap was. Solenoids, I believe they probably had in it. But it's held on by these stainless steel safety screws. Yeah, if I had the right connection, I could have unscrewed them, but I just fuck it, I'll just cut them off. It was a hell of a lot easier. So just use the die grinder and give them a smash. Yeah, you gotta love that sound. If you're a dentist, you're probably getting a hard on about now. It's the dentist Viagra right there. Yeah. And that, boys and girls, is why you should be wearing a mask, or at least some glasses, because these friggin' cutting discs explode and, yeah, embed into your face. Some of that embedded into my leg. I didn't really sort of notice at the time because I'm pretty used to bleeding. You ain't having a good time until you're bleeding. But, yeah, not nice. Not nice at all. You want to Google that shit, it's pretty bloody gory. Ugh. These wire wheels are a bastard everything too. They throw off little tiny bits of steel wire and shit, and you end up with that crap embedded in all over you. So, yeah, well, unfortunately, this is the point in time I got to give you the big safety talk. Friggin' hate doing this. Look, basically, What I do is what I do. I'm not showing you how to do it. I'm not telling you how to do it. There's several ways of doing it. There's the proper way, there's the wrong way, and there's, well, my way. And as far as I'm concerned, if you nail your balls to a 4x2, that's God's way of telling you not to use a fucking nail gun, okay? So, don't try and sue me. I'm in Australia. We don't give a fuck over here. But, hey, take as much care as you feel you need. And if you need your mum to hold your dick while you piss, then that's your problem, not mine. So I'm hitting this with a wire wheel to remove the paint. It needs a decent earth to, well, for the plasma cutter to work properly. A lot of the times it'll spit and fart and carry on and won't cut at all unless it's got a decent connection with the metal itself. These LPG tanks, they're certainly painted well. You guys call them propane in America. In case you're wondering, depending on what part of the world you're from, call them LPG, which is liquid petroleum gas. And as I said before, these are the tanks that go in the back of your car to run your car on gas instead of petroleum or petrol, etc., etc. Yeah, I love this thing. I can't believe it. It just cuts through this thing like butter. It is the coolest toy ever. And they're so cheap now. Like all of this stuff, you'd be looking at it going, oh my god, this guy's rich, you know. But no, I'm as broke as fuck. Probably because I buy all this shit. But, I think I paid, this is just a cheap eBay one. I'm trying to think now. I think I paid like $250 or $300 or something for it, brand new. Just absolutely incredible. A couple of years ago, these would have been worth, you know, several $1,000s, and you had to run them off argon or gas and all this kind of stuff. So now they run off your compressor, off normal air, and they run off 10 amps, single phase, and they absolutely kick ass. It is just absolutely incredible. And even the bits to buy for them, they're shit cheap. Just incredible. And the most coolest toy. I tell you what, if you get one of these, or you just go running around cutting everybody's shit up. What can I cut up today? I just make an excuse. You know, I need to cut me doors off my car. Yeah. Well, that's the end of part one. In part two, I'm going to show you how I almost died. No shit. It very, very scary. I was actually shaking for rather like a day afterwards. Hey, if you want to leave us a comment, you want to give us a thumbs up, want to subscribe, cool, good shit. And hopefully, we'll see you in the next episode. Have fun, be cool, and as always, we'll see you around like a bumhole.